welcome to Learning with Sean the Science Kid. Right now is Read Across America Week. So I'm going to celebrate it by reading a book to you. So, first I've got to tell you 6 benefits of reading. The first benefit is you learn new words. The second benefit is your brain gets smarter. The third benefit could be it makes you calmer. The fourth benefit is it gives you a bond to other people. The fifth benefit is when you read, your brain gets to learn new things. And the sixth benefit is it makes you feel free. So let's dig into this book. Outside and Inside You by Sandra Markle. Illustrated with full color photographs. Look at you, your special body. Do you ever wonder what is inside it or how it works? This book will let you take a peek and find out. Your hands are a good place to start. Hold them up and look at the backs and the palms. What do you see first on the outside is skin. Your skin is like a stretchy bodysuit, just your size. It is not the same all over though. Your skin is not even the same all over your hands. There are hairs on the backs of your hands, for instance, but not on the palm side. That side also has ridges of skin. Do you see them? Do you see the ridges of skin? Yeah, you might see them. Now look at the close-up picture of skin. Although your skin probably feels smooth, you can see how bumpy it really is. Do you see the curled up flakes? Those are bits of skin. A few of these bits of skin rub off every time you brush against something. You lose even more when you wash. But don't worry, you won't ever wear a hole in your skin the way you do your clothing. Your whole body, including your skin, is made of cells. Cells are like tiny building blocks. There are skin cells, muscle cells, bone cells, cells for every part of your body. Many of the pictures in this book are taken with the help of a special tool called a microscope. Through a microscope, it's easy to see that our skin is made up of cells stacked together in layers. The cells on the outside layer are dead and form a protective coating. They get a lot of wear and flake off. But new cells underneath. The old ones are constantly growing. These cells replace the ones that die. One of your skin's biggest job is to keep germs out of your body. Germs are very tiny living things. Most germs are harmless, but some are not. If germs get into a cut in your skin, they can make it become red and sore. If they get inside your body, they can make you sick. Besides protecting you, Your skin also helps your body keep a steady temperature. If you get too warm, a kind of water called sweat flows out of tiny openings or pores in your skin. Sweating cools you down. Now that you've taken a close look at your body's stretchy skin, what's under it? Bones, for one thing. A building has a strong framework to support it. You have a framework too. Yours is a bony skeleton. Without it, you would not have any shape at all. Ew. Nobody wants that. Imagine yourself as a blob oozing out of bed in the morning. Ew. In special pictures called X-rays, you can easily see the bones inside your body. Look at the X-rays on this page. Doesn't it look like the 2-year-old's hand has fewer bones than the adult's? This is because when you are young, some of your bones are made of cartilage. Cartilage is a tough, rubbery material that does not break like hard bone. Cartilage also does not show up on an X-ray. So all the bone made of cartilage in the X-ray of the child's hand look like blank spaces. By the time you are 6, most of the bones in your body have become hard bone. Your hard bones are not solid like rock though. Inside, bones look like a sponge with lots of spaces in between hard bone. By being hard but not solid, your bones are strong enough to hold you up, but also light enough so you can jump, run, and move around easily. Bones cannot bend. You can bend your body only at a joint, the place where 2 bones meet. So having lots of joints in your hands and feet, lets you move them in lots of different ways. Your knees and your jaw are joints too. What other joints can you find that let your body bend? Let me see those joints. Elbow. Good job. Jaw. Feet joints. Hand joints. There are so many kinds of joints. Some bones, like your kneecap, have another job besides holding you up. They protect parts of you. Your kneecap protects your knee joint if you get bumped or fall down. Now wiggle your fingers. Make a fist. Let me see those mad fists. Bones support your hands, but you cannot move even one finger without your muscles. Each of your hands has about 30 muscles. There are more than 600 muscles throughout your body. Can you lift your arm like the child in the picture? Let me see those pulling magnetic arms to the ceiling. Muscles can only pull on bones, not push. So it takes 2 of them to move your arm up and down. The muscle on the top of your arm pulls it up, and the muscle on the bottom of your arm pulls it down again. Now here's a surprise. When you look at the pictures in this book, you don't really see them with your eyes. Although your eyes carry messages about what you see, it is your brain that tells you what you are seeing. Your brain is always busy. It constantly receives messages about what is happening outside and inside your body in a way that no one yet completely understands. Your brain sorts and studies the messages it receives. Then it answers with messages of its own. your eyes in the mirror. See the black spot in the center of the iris? The colored part of each eye? Those spots, called pupils, are like windows that let light into your eyes. Do your pupils look like big black spots or tiny dots? You see best when the right amount of light entering the amount of light entering your eye is just right. In bright light, your pupils get smaller to block the light. In dim light, your pupils get wider to let in as much light as possible. Once light enters your eyes, it passes through something that looks like a shiny, clear jewel. This part of the eye is called the lens. From the lens, light travels through the clear jelly inside the eye to the back of your eye, called the retina. The retina is made up of special cells. When light reaches these cells, messages are sent to your brain. As soon as your brain figures out those messages, it sends out its own signals to let you understand what you are seeing. Of course, all of this happens much faster than it takes to tell about it. In fact, it happens almost instantly. Like your eyes, your ears are a pathway for messages, but it is your brain that tells you what you hear. The part of your ears that you can see is only the beginning of your ears. These flaps of skin and cartilage on the outside of your head capture sounds and direct them inside your heads. Sounds are really invisible waves of air. When sound waves first enter your ear, they pass through a short canal, bump into the eardrum, and move along 3 tiny bones of the middle ear. You can follow this path in the picture on the opposite page. And look. So here's the ear canal, the eardrum, the middle ear, the middle ear bone, the inner ear, right there. Finally, the sound waves reach the inner ear, to your brain. Like the messages from the cells in your eyes, the messages from your ears reach your brain almost instantly. As soon as your brain puts together these messages, you hear the music, the voices, or whatever noises are around you. Your ears are about 6 inches apart, so sounds often reach one ear before they reach the other. This means that your brain does not always receive messages from both of your ears at exactly the same time. When that happens, it is a clue to your brain about where sound is coming from, above or below, from your right or your left. You have been reading about your blood moving around your body. The pump that pushes the blood is your heart. Make a fist with one hand. Let me see those fists again. Your heart is about that size and shape. It lies between your lungs inside your chest. Your heart is a muscle, but you do not have to think to make it work. Your brain keeps your heart pumping blood day and night without stopping. Your blood is a kind of cell soup, with different parts having different jobs. The liquid part of blood carries the food nutrients. Special cells, the red blood cells, carry the oxygen. Other special cells, white blood cells, attack and kill any germs that get inside your body. Blood does not just swap around inside you like water in a glass. It flows through special tubes that get smaller and smaller. Eventually, very tiny tubes carry blood to all of your body cells. then more tubes carry the blood back to the heart. In this way, your blood goes around and around inside your body. Look at your wrist. You can see some of these blood-carrying tubes where they are close to the surface. Clearly, you have a wonderful body. Every part has a job to do to keep you alive. But even more important, all of your body's parts work together so you can run, jump, climb, walk, see, hear, touch, taste, smell, talk, think, and lots more. You can be you, and that makes you a special, one-of-a-kind person from the inside out. Okay, the end. So, did you like the story? I am hearing lots of yeses. So, bye. And don't forget to hit the subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell for any new videos I make. Bye. This is Learning with Sean, the Science Kid, signing out.